Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to go live on Rednote. If you enjoy live streams and you actually want to host one from yourself, I'll show you how you can easily do it on Rednote. So first you just have to open your Rednote app and make sure you are already logged in with your account. Once you open the app, you will get to its homepage, and there you will see we have different options through you can just watch videos and other stuff. While in the explore section, we have this live section. Right now I am in it, and there are different videos. So whatever video you click on is a live stream, and once you click onto it, a live stream start. So to host a live stream, at the bottom we have this plus icon. In the middle you have to click onto it. Once you click onto it, it will first ask you some of the permission, like you allow it access to camera and other stuff, so you can do it. Here we have three options: template, album, and cameras. Unfortunately, if you're not from the China, you cannot host a live video for now, because this app was previously for only China, but after the ban on TikTok it just gone global. But they have not updated their terms and condition on live. Only people with authentic and verified ID card of China can host a live video. For now, this is the restriction, but maybe we don't know. They may take over this restriction and then anybody can do the live. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.